Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Karamawian, and let's get to this. So I actually forgot to make the video yesterday because I've been so locked in on my feature for my internship. It's literally all that I've been thinking. Yesterday I was finally able to have my feature working properly. The best thing of all, I was finally able to merge my branch into main. I made sure that by the time I did this, I already have fixed any merge conflicts, which I don't remember there weren't any because I kept pulling from main every time they made a switch. And when I say they, my other team members, anytime they made a change, I will make sure fix any merge conflicts and just merge it into my branch to make sure that once my feature was ready to go, it will be a smooth transition. I've been working on this feature since the end of October, so it was finally good to have the version 1 of my feature, which is very good. I've learned so much in the process, so that is good to go. I gave it to the front end team so they can work on the UI. I gave my specifications on how I think it should look once the UI is done. We need to have some sort of information for the user, so the user just not looks to a black screen and doesn't know what is going on. So we need some information, some feedback to the user while what I did works under the hood. I was finally able to add some dots to my commit graph because I look at the commits from last year. I did 650 compared to this year's 504, but the significance is that I did a lot more commits in 2024, but I've learned a lot more in 2025 when it comes to working in a team, joining the DSD, joining my internship. Even though I've done less commits this year, I've grown a lot more as a developer. I've seen a lot more growth this year compared to last year, but at the end of the day, the only reason that I was able to feel this way as of November 15 is because of all the work that I put in last year. So it's incremental steps. I'm very hopeful for 2026. I know it's going to be a very good year, but now I need to focus on my personal projects. So I need to get going. We're already halfway November. Like I said, I'm going to start applying to jobs in January. So in terms of meetups, I went to one, and it's to the Postgres user group in NYC. And this meetup only focuses on PostgreSQL database. This was the last one for the year, but I really like this meetup because I get tired of just the AI talks and the same thing over and over. So it's kind of cool to have a change of pace and talk about something else. So these are the organizers. They are amazing. This person right here, he is a big deal. His name is Bruce, and he has been a main contributor for the PostgreSQL database since the 90s. So this is someone that knows Postgres from front to back. And just like that, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.